Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today we're making banana cinnamon muffins. Let's get started. We will first preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. These banana muffins are topped with a simple and delicious cinnamon sugar topping, but first, let's make our muffins. For the banana muffins, we will need 1 2/3 cup of flour, 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of olive oil, 2 ripe bananas, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 eggs. In a large bowl, we will combine our flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon with a whisk. This really helps to break up any clumps. Once everything is mixed together, we will set our flour mixture aside for later and move over to our electric mixer. To our electric mixer, we will add our sugar and olive oil. I often use my electric stand mixer, but it's important to note that a handheld mixer will work just as great. While our sugar and olive oil are mixing, let's crack our eggs in a small bowl. Once our sugar and olive oil are well combined, we will add our eggs, one at a time, making sure that the first egg is well combined before adding the second. Once our eggs have been added, we will mix in our vanilla extract. We are now ready for the bananas. But first, we will turn our mixer off and peel our bananas, placing them in a small, shallow dish. With a fork, you will mash your bananas. Once our bananas are completely mashed, we will add them to our batter and give it a quick stir before moving on to the next step. Now that our bananas have been added, we're ready for the flour mixture we set aside earlier. Add the flour mixture little by little until all of it has been added to your batter. Once all of your flour mixture has been added, turn off your electric mixer and with the spatula, scrape the sides and bottom of your bowl, making sure everything is fully incorporated. I like to hand mix with the spatula at the end rather than returning to the electric mixer. I find that this helps to prevent from overmixing the batter. Once everything is mixed together, we will add our cupcake liners to a muffin pan and add in our batter. This recipe should make about 12 muffins. We will place our muffins in our preheated oven and bake them for about 16 to 22 minutes. Once your muffins are done baking, they will be golden on top and your toothpick should come out clean. While our muffins are cooling, let's prepare our cinnamon sugar topping. For the topping, you will need 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. We will be melting the butter, and I always seem to have extra, so I suggest starting with 2 tablespoons and melting more if you need it. But first, let's make our cinnamon sugar topping by simply mixing together our sugar and cinnamon. Now that our cinnamon and sugar are fully combined, let's melt our butter. Once our butter is melted, we're going to take a muffin and dip the top of it into the melted butter, making sure the excess butter drips off before dipping into the cinnamon sugar topping. Be sure your muffin top is fully coated with the cinnamon sugar. Once it is, place it down on a plate and repeat these steps until all of your muffins have been coated with the cinnamon sugar topping. If you have any extra cinnamon sugar topping at the end, feel free to sprinkle it on top of your coated muffins. Our muffins are now ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video and give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more.